Look, you guys, it's a Venusaur!
It's giant!
Venusaur, the final form of the Bulbasaur evolution. This seed Pokemon soaks up the sun's rays as a source of energy.
Hello, and welcome to the Living Dex, a series that brings to life the ecology and life history entries found in our Pokedex. For this first episode, we will be focusing on the ecology of Bulbasaur's evolutionary line and what it can teach us about symbiosis. Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, and Venusaur are together known as the seed Pokemon because of their unique adaptation, the bulb on their back. It might be surprising to learn that when born, a Bulbasaur's back is bare, but its parents quickly plant a special seed there, which soon sprouts into the bulb that gives the Pokemon its name. This bulb forms a special relationship with its host for the rest of their life together. The bulb provides its Bulbasaur both nutrients from the seeds contained within it, and also energy that it gathers from photosynthesis. In return, the Bulbasaur seeks out sunlit areas for the bulb to soak up light. Wild Bulbasaur spend much of their time napping in these sun-drenched locations. This interaction of two species for the benefit of both is a type of symbiosis called mutualism. The plant bulb receives much more sunlight than other plants rooted in one place in the ground. In return, extra nutrition is sent to Bulbasaur, allowing the host to go days without needing to forage for food. When threatened by predators, the bulb also allows Bulbasaur to unleash powerful grass-type moves to protect itself and its bulb. Vine Whip and Razor Leaf are often enough to deter attackers. And in a pinch, it can use its bulb to quickly collect light into its most powerful attack, Solar Beam. As the bulb slowly grows on the Bulbasaur's back, it influences its host's development into the next stage of evolution. The bulb's increasing weight forces the Bulbasaur's legs to grow thicker and stronger to support the load. Eventually, the Bulbasaur is physically unable to rear up on its hind legs anymore, losing some mobility and easy access to certain foods. This change in lifestyle, along with the bulb becoming a bright pink closed flower, signify the Bulbasaur's transformation into an Ivysaur. To compensate for these changes, the bulb provides its host with even greater access to solar power. Exposure to sunlight more easily strengthens Ivysaur, making it a formidable target to daytime predators. Ivysaur depends even more on the bulb for nourishment, and therefore spends less time foraging and more time seeking out sunny areas. As it spends more time soaking in sunlight, the bulb grows even larger and begins to emit a sweet aroma. This is a sign that Ivysaur is close to its final stage. Now in full bloom, both literally and figuratively, the relationship between Pokemon and plant is at its strongest. Venusaur spends most of its time on the move, roaming in search of sunlight. Once it finds a suitably sunny location, it will then essentially plant itself there, remaining inactive while its flower photosynthesizes. Venusaur can now sustain itself almost entirely on solar energy, needing only to occasionally eat and water itself and its flower. As a fully evolved Pokemon, Venusaur's powers have grown far beyond that of Bulbasaur and Ivysaur. While it will initially try to becalm enemies with its sweet scent, it will defend itself with all the power provided by its flower. Its attacks are even more enhanced on the rare occasions that it must Mega Evolve in battle. Tests have shown that its Vine Whips are now strong enough to collapse large buildings, and the pollen is capable of suffocating opponents, causing them to faint. Bulbasaur and its evolutionary line give us an incredible example of symbiosis. Throughout their shared lives, Pokemon and plant take care of each other, providing benefits that would be impossible for the individual to enjoy. By the time they reach their potential in Venusaur, they perfectly complement each other in one of nature's most famous relationships.